two of our stops today at the superchargers. We stopped in, I think, Florida City, and they had a Famous Dave's there. We didn't go, but they had a Famous Dave's there. That was a quick stop. Then we stopped right up the road again at another one that we'd already stopped at, but just for another quick charge. Then we stopped at another one, and I think we didn't do that one before, but it was supposed to be a quick stop. It was full. We had to wait about 15 minutes before we finally got one. Then we went to another one. That's the one that I actually forgot. That one was at Fort Myers. One of two at Fort Myers, and there were 8 charging stations, I think. One of which was handicapped, so we didn't take it. We let the other 7 be there. We finally got one, and it was charging a little bit slow, but we got charged up because we had to charge there to like in the 90s to get to where we're currently at, which is a campground. We have plenty of juice, but just in case we had to boondock somewhere, we wanted to have enough juice. We have 59% now, so we would have made it. So we would have been able to boondock somewhere, have the air conditioner stay on all night, and not worry about it too much. So we're good to go, but we'll get probably a video a little bit later of, they've never had a Tesla here before, so we've been staying in it a couple nights now. We're going to stay here for probably 2. We are in, Ramblers Rest RV in Venice, Florida. That's where we're currently at. We called them up, and they's like, sure, we can take you. You're staying in a what? Like a car. A Tesla. They're like, we've never had that before. It's like, that's what we're doing. They're like, okay. Because we called the reservation number, and the reservation number didn't think that they would accept it. Because they do sometimes have size and age of RVs in some places before they'll even let you in the place. And being that we don't have an RV, we didn't know. And so the lady goes, why don't you just call them direct? So we called them direct, and they's like, sure, you can come on down. So Lisa's in there talking to Roger right now, and hopefully Roger just gets us checked in. It's $60 a night, which is cheaper than the hotels around the area, but it also has a 50 amp service, so we have 0 to worry about for juice for the next 2 days, because we're going to probably stay in the area, probably just hang out here tonight, and then go to the beaches tomorrow to look for shark's teeth and whatnot in Venice. So that's that. I'll do another video probably later of us surrounded by big RVs. Brandon, Florida. I think it's just outside of Ocala. We're next to a Staples, a Petco, a Michaels, TJ Maxx. Is there any place to eat? Yeah. What's right behind us? Oh, Starbucks, of course. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8 chargers. Only one person was here, so that's pretty nice. We're at 45%, getting 89 kilowatts, so not too bad. I've had faster not much faster, I don't think. Been liking what they've been doing with the new chargers. I think we've been getting a lot faster for a lot longer. And they have a trash can. That's it, I think. Let me see if I can. There's our partner in charge over there. Don't really want to get out. I'll probably have to get out to stretch my feet. Nope. Next charger will be in Gainesville. Whoa. So we're going to get up to about 80%, it looks like, to get there with plenty to spare. Then we have another long charge in Gainesville. That's it. Alright, Gainesville supercharger. Watch out, let me get a picture of the Whole Foods. And another Whole Foods. So that's nice. We're here at 10 o'clock at night. Only one here. Nice. With 10 chargers. Nice little strip mall around here. Lots more behind us too. We're gonna be here for a bit. But at least we're getting that. At least for now. We popped in here with 19%, so I'll take 19%. Fast charges like that. But we then have to get to Tifton, but I think there's another one. Let's look. Yeah, there's one in Lake City. That's what I thought. Alright, so we're good. In case we stop at a rest area. We can still hit Lake City and not have to worry about running out of juice before we get to Tifton. So, alright, we're good. We pulled into this rest area just north of Lake City, Florida last night about 11:30, and there was 3 cars counting ours. Now it's foggy and full. Well, it was more full. I just went to the bathroom, but yeah, there were 3 cars counting ours. Now there's all these cars. We parked down here to have one of these lights that keeps it going out. But there's people in every one of these. But we're about ready to. We filled up with about 50-some% in Gainesville to have enough to run the air conditioner here all night. So we did. We've been here for about 6 hours or so. But we have enough now to get to Lake City. We're going to charge up in Lake City, then we're going to top off in, I forget the name of it, Tifton, before a long haul past Tifton. But we'll probably end up leaving right now. I don't want to wait. We're going to head to Memphis tonight and see my brother. Alright, back in Lake City. We were here on the way down. We just kind of recognized the place, just not at this time in the morning. 6:15. We have to make it to Tifton. This is their last stop in Florida. Oh. This was after sleeping all night, so we didn't do too bad. Some of that fat, low percentage kilowatts right now. 1, 2, 6 chargers on a foggy morning. I don't think anything's open. I'll be stopping at McDonald's though on our way out of here. A Waffle House. But we're not too hungry. At least I'm not too hungry. But there's a Waffle House over there if you needed to eat breakfast. But I don't. Well, I do, but I don't. I just need some coffee. And I thought there was a Starbucks somewhere, but I think it's further down the road. I'm not going to go be looking for no Starbucks. I can get me a McDonald's coffee. Just need to make it to Tifton, then make a left. So far, so good. I forgot how many miles we've gone so far. 1,800. 1,900, I already forgot. I looked, but I forgot. All free. Thank you, car, for having free supercharging. Tifton supercharger. We are 19. So we're charging pretty fast now. We're at, 20% already. We need to get above 90 though. We have a long trip ahead of us. Into some stuff too. So we're gonna have to get above 90 to get to Auburn, because we're going across to Alabama and stuff. So this is gonna be a long charge. So we'll get above 90. We'll try to find some place to eat, maybe even like 95, 96, whatever. That's it. Oh, there's 8 chargers here. There's 3 of us here. Already 17%. We got here at 11%. We're at Auburn, Alabama. Long trip, long leg of the trip through rain, so we used way more than we should have used. We should have been here at about 19%, maybe 17%. We got here at 11 though, because of so much rain. But we're charging at a good rate. It says it wants to be for 25 minutes. Our next stop's Birmingham. Let's see what time it says we're going to be in Mississippi now, or Memphis. Alright, so it's about 6-ish. I'll tell them about 6. Alright, that's it. How many spots we got here? 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 spots here at a mall on a Sunday morning, and we got here and there were 3 people here. Still 3 people here. That's that. Birmingham supercharger is in a pay lot. Didn't know that. But we may be able to get validated and not have to pay, but it says parking fees apply to Tesla owners. So
it says take a ticket with you to a restaurant to receive validated for free parking.
Yeah, so we're gonna go get validated somewhere.
Yes.
But that's it. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's got 8 spots, it looks like, and I am charging at 117 right now. Came in here with a little less, I think 19%, already up to 23. We got a ways to go. Because when we get done here, we're going to be on our way to Tupelo. So apparently it's a long trip. Yeah, it's going to be a long trip. We're going to have to get up in the mid-80s, 82, 85, 86. Because if we keep hitting rain like we keep hitting, it keeps making us have to use more and more energy than we like to use. Oh, well, we're going to get validated. Okay, Tupelo, Mississippi charging station. 4:35 May something. May 12th. Mother's Day. Well, there's a carnival here too. It's back of a mall, back by a Sears over there.
It's out of business.
But there's 8 spots, only 1 being taken up by me. Getting some of that fast charge, which I need. Got one more place to go after this, then the charger in Memphis, and we'll be done for the charging for the night. But that's it. We're getting there. Oh, here, let's take a peek at how far we've gone so far. One trips. So far, trip, we've done almost 3,000 miles. 334 watt hours. Not bad, considering. That's that. It says 25 minutes remaining. We'll see. Okay, so we stayed here in Memphis for the night with my brother. Decided to charge up before we go home because, of course, we have to. We got here. There was nobody here. Park Place, something? I don't know what a place, but this is Memphis, Tennessee supercharger. Looked at our next charger and on the map, and it said leaving at 95%. I was only going to have 17% when we showed up. I have no idea. I don't think it's that far away. So we're at like 98 or 99% now. We'll see what we have when we get to the next stop, which is in Minor, Missouri, which is where Lambert's throwed rolls are at. Grew up there my entire life, and I don't think I ever ate there. So we might eat there for lunch. But we're about ready to head out. At the Sikeston Supercharger in Sikeston, Missouri. It's otherwise known as Minor, Missouri, because it's in Minor technically, but it's also in Sikeston. Where's that? Lambert's Throw Rolls place. Don't know where it's at. Where is it at? You was here. How far up the road did you go?
A bus drove me over.
It's behind a Ruby Tuesday.
And it says electricity supported by Ruby Tuesday.
And it even says electricity power supported by. So we're not open, so we can't shop there. We can't eat there. Plus, I'm full from the last stop. It's 10:30. One more stop, then home and work tomorrow. This is gonna be a long charge. It looks like at least 40 minutes to get there. But we left with 98% at the last stop. We got here with 17, so we needed a lot.
Did not lie.
Because if it would have rained or wind or anything like that, it would have really sucked it dry. That's that. But it took a lot. I averaged like 340, I think, and a 339 on kilowatts right now, but it was averaging pretty high, about 350, but that's what I always average, I think. All right, let's check official thing. Almost home here. 3,245 miles. We've averaged 336 watt hour per mile, so not bad. Since we bought it, we've averaged 342, so that's about what I said. About 350 is what we get. That's true. That wasn't me. If you get that, that's that. Bye. Stop before home. Got here with like about, what was it, 20 something? 24? 23? Already up 5% in just about 2 or 3 minutes. Getting that nice big fat speed. Pulling into the garage. There's the BMW i3 that didn't get to go on the trip. Final tally: 3,468 official miles. Not bad. 337. Not bad. Sucky, but not bad. 346.